Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Well, EOS is pumping right now while Bitcoin is actually moving down. So let me just say this off in the beginning, guys. We will take a look at the VUG today because I want to make some reference to that. But EOS is what's called the wildcard pick. Now, we do not have metrics for this on the website yet. So, but what I'm doing is I'm going to be looking to add some metrics for EOS on the website because I think it's an amazing coin to get into. So it may take, 2-3 months to get everything crafted, get it on the server, get everything working out. But I just want to let you guys know that's something I'm looking at. Am a firm believer in EOS that is going to be a great coin to at least trade. Now, the bullish exchange has been released, but it has not been released, confirming that it has not been released to U.S. citizens. Now, me and a lot of you guys, the customers I'm working with here, we've actually teamed together and we've researched this. Basically, what it looks like at the moment is that EOS is, well, let's say this, bullish is going to be getting regulated in the United States and then also be looked to list on the New York Stock Exchange to show confidence. Literally, this is from their founders, to show confidence to their followers and those that are going to be using the exchange in the US, okay? So that is what I'm really waiting for. Now, I'm looking for more news on that. I haven't seen anything yet of them getting, qualified for regulations, but I'm telling you guys, I believe EOS is one of the greatest opportunities you guys have, and we all have. Look at where we are at from the high, and look at where we're currently at, and we got bought out in positions down here. Literally, we have positions at the bottom down here that got hit, and we're going to try to ride this thing back up. Now, it is a wild card pick, so I don't have metrics for it, but here's what I want to share with you guys today. Let's at least look at the price for swell money flow and trend exhaustion. Guys, the account, let's see what the account's doing this morning. 99,694. Let's see where we're currently at. So 694.99. 99,000. Let's see where we're at. Okay, so actually that's pretty ridiculous. That's pretty nice. So that's pretty cool. Almost $4,000 made this morning. So I didn't think we were going to be up that high, but there have been some other coins that have been doing really well. And EOS is my number one hold in here because I honestly, I believe in it, okay? I'm not hiding anything from you guys. Literally, this is my full portfolio. EOS, I've got a majority of this. I have Cardano, waiting for that to move out. And then I've also been diversified into other coins here. I will talk about that more in the videos I come out with today. So not a bad day making $4,000, or right around that, 3,800, very close to that area. I want to keep things honest here. Here's what I want to give you guys is we'll talk about these real quick, and then I'll give you guys some buy limits that you guys can get in here with because I don't have them on the website, okay? It's just so much fun to trade this, guys. Price or swell money flow, trend exhaustion. Here's homework time, guys. What happens when the trend exhaustion is in the top red section as well as the well money flow is high? What happens here? What happened last time we looked up here? Did we see a move down? Yes, we saw a stall, and then we saw a pump. So what am I looking for now? I'm looking for a possible move back down on EOS. Structure resistance is right here. It's also right over here. So we're hitting resistance. We are also pushing up into the top section for the well money flow as well as the trend exhaustion. This is historically a place where we like to move back down. We were able to call the drop in here on many of the coins. Let me just get this out of the way real quick. If you guys take a look at this, this is when we were up in the top red section, as well as when the well money flow in the green was up here. This showed us that the flow of money was going to reverse from long trades to what? To short trades. Or in other words, from buying to selling. Okay, there's two things that can happen: selling, shorting, buying, going long. Okay. What happened here is we saw this accumulation here, and it did not head down. It actually tried to move back up and create divergence on the chart, and then that's why we ended up getting this flash crash in the market. This is how we're calling drops in the market. You guys need these two indicators. They're in the description. They are 81% off. Don't miss those, okay? That's how I'm going to be looking for exits once we get up here a little bit higher. I'm going to hold EOS a little bit higher than normal because I think this can head up and be a really good trade for us, okay? Hold it for longer than we usually do. Look at last time we had head up in this top red section and the well money flow was high. We could not head up any higher, and we moved back down. The previous time before that, we moved up in the top section here. This is correlated to this pump up here, and then we saw a move back down. Red section up here with the trend exhaustion as well as the well money flow high, guys. We did not move up any further. We saw a move back down. This is like clockwork in here. Get rid of all the other indicators you guys are using on your charts. I don't mean to be rude by that or say they're not working. Let me at least say this. remove them just so you guys can spend, even if it is just 3-4 days, 1 week, watching how accurate these are, and it will clean up the analysis and clean up in your mind how to trade more profitably. Once you have indicators that can just help you call the bottoms and the tops, that's really all you need for technical analysis. And that is literally what these are able to do down here, is call the bottoms and tops before we see moves back up. Even this over here, when we came down close to the bottom red section, that's where we couldn't head down any further, and that's when we shot up here. Now, let me teach you guys how to trade against retail traders real quick. That is why we have the trend dashboard, and it's very fun to do this. RSI, stochastic, and MACD. I literally been hiring on employees, and I was just teaching this to them yesterday, or to an individual yesterday that I hired on. This is what you guys want to be watching for. All of the retail indicators right now, majority of them are green. What does this tell me? It says that their moving averages are showing that the price is above the 50 and the 100. They're going to be buying. The RSI, stochastic, and MACD are bullish. They're going to look to buy. I'm telling you, however, this is opposite, and we are looking to actually come in here and take some profit on this and sell. Now, I mentioned to you guys already, I'm going to be holding EOS longer than the normal trades that we have in here, okay? Because I believe there's a lot of potential. If and when, it's still an if, guys. I'm not going to be lie to you. There is still a big risk of EOS, and bullish may not actually fully go through and be a hit, okay? Understand that. That's why we're not fully pushed all into EOS. It's only 25%. Is it a big allocation? Yes, but there's still 40% of the entire portfolio in cash. Guys, 40% of the portfolio is in cash. I'm okay if there's a drop, and you need to be okay if there's a drop too by proving it to yourself by taking a look at your portfolio and looking at your cash amount, okay? These are all in buy limits ready to go. Point of this is I'm going to hold this a little bit longer in the market because I do think we could see a little bit more of a move up when bullish is announced and regulated in the United States for US users to use. If EOS is used for transaction fees, EOS could be what BNB token is to Binance, which the BNB token went up a ridiculous amount, well over 60,000%, okay? If you guys look at the beginning of when BNB came out. So an incredible trade here. Let me give you guys the buy limits now. Real quick, for these indicators, because I want to wrap this video up because there's not much more to talk about, let me show this to you guys. In order to get the updates I'm doing on EOS and for you guys to get into all the trade updates, because we really are 91 for 91 wins on this channel, and it's just been crazy. Actually, and we're also in the profit again for Ethereum that we just ended up exiting the other day. You guys need to get the $49 a month membership. This will give you access to all the metrics on our normal coins, as well as when we eventually do. I do think we will add EOS in here. I did a poll the other day. You guys will end up getting EOS in here, and it will actually just still stay at $49 a month until I raise this. So make sure you guys are getting in here, and we'll grandfather you in. This is going to give you access to the Telegram channel, as well as all of the entries for all of our other coins, which are basically we're 91 for 91 wins. So EOS is going to eventually, I believe, be listed on the website. I'm just confirming things with our team, and then I want to confirm things with a poll that we did. But this is where you guys want to access that. The Telegram channel is at the very bottom. This is where I'll be calling exits for the EOS trade. I've actually already called an exit. We've entered and exited a trade already, and then we actually exited it before we ended up getting into this crash here, which was back here on this pump, and then we invested again on the way back down. So make sure you guys are following me over there with the membership, and you guys can have that, as well as make sure you guys are getting the indicators today so you guys can manage this, because the best thing to do is to get the bundle pack for 81% off. You guys need the price for swell money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard. These are the ones you need, and these are the ones you want. You'll get 6 more indicators if you just get the bundle pack versus getting these 3, and it's literally just a few more bucks. Definitely get this. It's 81% off today. Make sure you guys snag that, all right? As far as EOS buy limits, here's what I want you guys to look at. I don't believe it's a terrible idea, because we are so low, to look to enter something into the market right now in case we keep pumping up. Now, this is the only time I'm ever going to say this. I never purchase on a pump move up, but because of where we're at, guys, it's not like we're going to all-time highs right now. I do think it is smart to get something in the market because we are very close to the end of the year. The bullish exchange is actually live for some residents, and we could be seeing that regulation come out any day. So let's get some money in the market is what I'm talking about right now, okay? So I have 3 buy limits for you guys. If you had, let's say, $1,000, you could put 33% at each buy limit. We're going to make this simple. Call it $333. 333 could be a market order right now at 377. 333 could go at the second buy limit here, which is our third, which is 323. And then we're going to have the next buy limit down here at 252. So there's going to be 3 buy limits for 33% each. And you guys are going to put market order 1, buy limit 1, and buy limit 2. Okay, these are your prices, 252, 323, and then a market order here. This is what I would personally do right now if I was literally depositing more money in the exchange. I am not doing that. I already did it. That's why the account is up. So this is where I'm giving you guys the exact buy limits. Eventually, we'll try to move this over to the website, but you guys are getting them for free right now. So make sure you guys are watching this. Make sure you guys get the indicators because this is looking for a drop back down. If we see something like this in here, let me just point this out so you can watch this. If we see EOS continue to head up like this, and we start seeing the well money flow do something like that, and the trend exhaustion go down here, this is negative divergence. These guys down here are going to call the market moves. They called the crash. Like, please get them on your charts, guys. Stop missing out on these crashes here and keeping your money in. Like, look for exits or look to deposit more money into your account if you can and buy the dip. Like, you need to be watching this. If this price action goes up, and the two indicators here, the well money flow and trend exhaustion, start moving down, this is a precursor that this is overextended, and we're due for a drop back down. And I do believe that can happen very strongly. That is why we're able to call these moves in here. Even looking at this, we had a high and another higher high. And if you look straight down, we have a high and a lower high on the well money flow. Guys, money is moving out of the market and the price is trying to go up. You can't continue up when the money's flowing out. The trend exhaustion here, I'm not going to go into how we coded this. It is proprietary. But if you ever see this starting to move down here and price action starts to move up, you need to watch out for flash crashes in the market. That's how we called that crash. That's how we called this crash here. And I want you guys to look for a possible another one that could be coming out with this exact same setup. So get these on your charts. Make sure you guys snag them. You're literally getting the best deal I have right now. It's 81% off. So make sure you guys snag those. I will keep you guys updated and I'll cover a couple more videos today on our cryptos to let you guys know how we're doing. God bless you guys so much. Get the membership before that goes up in price over here. Make sure you guys are also getting the indicators that I showed you over here. They're in the description as well. Set them up on your TradingView charts. You guys get them for life. You get the source code and everything. And make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits for EOS today, as well as all of our coins in here so you guys can take advantage of the wins, because we are currently 91 for 91 wins, and we're going to try to go for 100 for 100 wins before the end of this year is over. So that's the goal. God bless you guys again so much. Have an amazing day, and I'll keep the videos coming. Everything you need is in the description. Let's make some more money, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.